Today we're going to carry on talking about how the Secomea domain hierarchy works and the benefits and features that they are built into the GUI. So we're going to go to our admin domain. I'm logged in as an admin. We're going to go to our main domain. This is for the videos, and I've created these multiple subdomains. I created one that is called accounts where I keep my accounts. Frank as an engineer, then monitoring, and it's very important that these licenses are next to the accounts so they can use them when they need them. What we're going to see today is how you could have, this could be your multiple customers, machines or different customers, and how you can have your single engineer have access to all of these customers or machines, wherever they are. Very important also, it's another feature is that, as you may remember, these licenses can have access to the Secomea site manager, and therefore when you click it you could access the site manager GUI, which allows you to configure it, and you may not want your engineer to do that. So as an admin I can pull it out of the main tree, and how it works is my main domain, let's see as a tree body, that's the analogy. So your main domain is the tree body, then your subdomains are the branches. Should you have further domains within, there will be your little branches, then your accounts and your Secomea devices are the leaves per se. So you cannot see, if you are a branch, you can see little branches. If you are in a leaf, you cannot see the little branches or the branch or the tree body. So it's a downward hierarchy. You can see from the top down to the latest element in your tree, in your hierarchy. So some features, these icons here, what they mean is something I always get. Well, obviously expand all of them. You can close them if there are anything inside them. You can also say, where are my devices, and just click in there and it shows you where your devices are, and that's showing only them, no further subdomains. And clicking back again gives you that. If you show the account, will show accounts. If not, then you can see your accounts. Right, cool. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to put each of one of these devices into each of these domains and show you how one engineer can access all of them even when they're not in the same domain. Drag and drop, that's how easy it is. Just crazy easy. So I have now my accounts, that's the engineer, and pay attention, when I highlight it, this little ghost, I can drag and drop it into each domain. And the presence, I can drag and drop as many as I want, and just I call it a ghost because when the engineer is not present in a domain, he cannot see something. But if the ghost is there, his presence is there. So that's that. So as you can see, the site manager is outside the domains where the engineer is, and therefore if I log in now as an engineer, as Frank the engineer per se, log in as Frank the engineer, if I remember the password correctly. That is it. Yes, okay. Pay attention always to these things, messages. So as you can see, Frank the engineer is logged in. I'm logged in here, and as you can see, I cannot see anything other than the devices. There's no site manager. No site manager. So that's how good this feature is, in my opinion, because it gives you peace of mind that nobody is gonna, this engineer is gonna be only available to create connection with these devices and not having the chance to mess up with anything else. That's fantastic, in my opinion. Log off, so I'm gonna carry on. So as you can see, that's very interesting. What we're gonna do next is in this domain, I'm going to create a configuration, the file configuration, because I want Secomea unit reset. It's already there. Reset assist. I'm going to create it. I already created before, but it don't matter. Right. I want to reset the Secomea unit that I've got, and in order to do that, I'm going to make another video, and I hope you stay and watch that video. Thanks very much. Thanks for watching.